tried to smoke. Oh, that's why I didn't want it. You want it, John?
Nope. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Hobby Hideaway. This is the April 16 race. This is the last race of the first series of 2025, and you see it started early January, ended mid-April. So I'm not exactly sure where I'm in points, but I'm trying to stick within a top 3 to top 5 podium range, and I think I'm close. So we're gonna go out tonight in I've just finished my 2 qualifiers. I believe I've stuck it into A for both of them. So I'm starting in the A main in box stock, and we're doing that next. That's with my MR03. I've left it on the soft spring on the front. So I've still got the tires. These are radials that have worn down the slicks now. We're gonna go out with the P1 GTR. This is the layout for this week. So I'm still on a 8-tooth pinion. It doesn't look like there's a straightaway, but if you do this properly, you can keep all your momentum up through here. This track is very much a momentum track for this week. You're trying to keep your momentum up through here, and then this one is the one that you really kind of have to really let off for to do that kink and then get lined up nicely for this straight shot through. And if you straight shot this through, then you can carry really nice speed into here and then kind of carry it through. So if you do that perfectly well, you're under 5 seconds. It's very hard to do. Most of the time you're hitting a high 5-second lap. If you do it perfectly, you can get a 5.0 or a 4.9. Anyway, we're going up next to box stock A main. All right, here we go, box stock A main. This is the last A main of this series. I am starting in P5. I believe the bump up will be behind me, but that's it. Everyone else will be ahead of me. All right, yeah, we're starting it all in line because the D main, we tried the staggered, it was chaos through the kink here. I'm still gonna die for the inside. Drag race down the straight. Oh, I got screwed. Somehow we still all crashed.
I didn't mean to do that, but I'm happy about it.
Ah! Ah! I got punted into the wall. Is that you lapping already? Ah! No, that was Joel getting by. Oh, yeah. Just, oh. Great. Oh, yeah. That's wonderful. Can't just drive through me. Oh my God. Was this an A main? This is a D main. Sure doesn't feel like it. Oh. That was bad for me. At least we're almost spaced out now.
Get out of my way then. Oh, sorry, I tried to smoke. Oh, that's why I didn't want it from you. You have to drive that.
The top driver will be on the first place with 20 laps, followed by fifth lead in second place with 19 laps, followed by sixth in first place with 19 laps, followed by Joel in fourth place with 18 laps, followed by Steven in fifth place with 17 laps, followed by John Benning in sixth place with 16 laps.
Oh, whoa! Oh, that was bad.
Whoa, watch the stairs.
minutes left. After 3 minutes 1 second. The top driver in first place with 30 laps. Followed by Buggy in second place with 29 laps. Followed by Chris in 28 laps. Followed by Steven in fourth place with 28 laps.
Oh, apparently I'm in.
Followed by Joel in fifth place with 28 laps.
Oh, that means I'm in last.
Followed by John Buggy.
Oh, come on. How am I in sixth?
You don't want it, Chris?
No, that was already one, but I thought it said 3, and when I talked about it,
Oh,
they're not realizing until you can go on and
Body closed off. Head to the car. I can't put the body back on. It's missing a focus wheel. You got 52 seconds left.
ah! Oh, come on. Can I not be last? Oh, body off. Another body off.
Oh yeah, it's a great. You want it, John?
Nope. Just trying to not be last. Was I not last? Oh, I wasn't last. I had to cheat and keep my body off so I could not be last. Thank you.
Yeah, fastest lap.
Yeah, you did. Oh, you were the other no body? That was really rough at the start. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. So that's a 5th place finish, 5 of 6. At least I wasn't last. Then we're going to check the numbers and see where I landed in final series points. All right, results are in from Series 1 2025. This is the box stock.
1 second.
Loading.
Waiting.
Loading. 18. And here's box stock. Okay. Crosser, Chris. I got 3rd. I did get a podium in box stock. Chris cleared 4th. Lauren 5th. You got 5th and 5th, Lauren.
Yeah.
Nice. Dean, Nolan, Brian, Nick. All right. There's the final stats for Series 1 Mini Z. Thanks for all the computery stuff you do, Lauren. It helps a lot.